Quick little video here just to share my heart and a few thoughts. Just to encourage you all to, and myself, just slow down, cherish life, make the most of every moment, take time to do the things you enjoy doing, cherish time with family and friends, enjoy your hobbies, rest, relax. That's hard for me. I'm always busy. I work a lot, and work is good. I'm thankful for my job, and I work a lot, work hard, and I cherish my time when I'm home, and my wife, family, and try to do my best, whether I'm working on the road or at home, whatever I'm doing, I try to do my best and honor God. But I get busy. I get so busy, and it's good to be busy and productive. Sorry, the sunlight's not really good for the video. It's nice for me though. The sunshine is really nice. But yeah, I'm always busy, you know. So I've been gone a little over 2 weeks on the road. Took a load out to California, then a load from California to Washington, then a load from Washington to Missouri, then a load from Oklahoma back to Minnesota. I just got home. It is Thursday afternoon, and I'll probably be home till Monday or Tuesday probably, and then I'll have to hit the road again. I keep working, bills to pay, never enough. But I'm in my pickup right now, so I'm a truck driver. I'm always in my big truck on the road, and I drive 5, 6, sometimes 700 miles a day for weeks on end. And yeah, it gets old. Sometimes I just like to be in my pickup. I hardly ever get a chance to drive my pickup. I'm not home that much lately. I love driving my pickup. It's just an old GMC. It's 20 years old, 21 years old, but it still runs. It's rusty, needs new tires, needs a few things, but runs great, and I just like to drive it. And yeah, I don't even have to be going anywhere. Right now I'm kind of on the back roads. I have a couple of destinations, but Menards is one of them. Got to get some stuff and build a couple projects at home. And but yeah, but I'm just kind of taking the back roads, and it's kind of nice sometimes to just get in my pickup and just go for a drive. Kind of get lost on the back roads in Minnesota, and I don't know. I just get so busy, and I really need to learn to rest and relax. And even going for a drive is relaxing for me. And yeah, so I have, you know, I want to spend time with my wife and kids and grandkids and this weekend. And I got some chores to do around the house and outside. I got some projects. Do some woodworking. I'll probably do a few videos. Lots of stuff. And that's good, but I want to take time to rest too. I want to get our hammocks back up. It's starting to warm up. Spring's just around the corner. It's warming up. It's in the 40s today. Got a little bit of snow. It's melting. Oh, I love it though. But yeah, get the hammocks up. Have a couple campfires. Enjoy some time on the deck early in the morning, having coffee. Enjoy time with my wife, just watching our birds, and yeah. I just need to learn to rest more. But yeah, I just encourage you all to just cherish every moment of life. Don't get so busy. Do the things we have to do. Be productive. We all have a lot of responsibilities and different things we need to do every day. But don't be so busy that you don't take time to live. And yeah, I'm just kind of enjoying driving my pickup right now on a Thursday afternoon, early evening, beautiful sunshine, cool weather, dry roads, on the back roads, going around some lakes. Anyway, quick little video here. I don't even know what I'm going to title it. Just sharing my heart and my mind a little bit. But yeah, just take time. Anyway, hope you're all doing well.